Hello, my name is Edward Kando. So last time I created a video about the pivotal tracker integration, and this time we were using something called integrating rather going into the stuff itself. So it was easy, but this video is kind of old. Yes, 9 months I guess. So last 9 months I did it, and this time I want to create a new one because the integration is kind of depreciated. Like GitHub services are depreciated, and please contact your integrator for more information about how to migrate and replace the services with webhooks. So today GitHub uses webhooks, and for our video today we want to learn how to integrate Pivotal Tracker with webhooks. So what's gonna happen is that we're gonna create a new project and we're gonna call this Pivotal. I guess it's the right word, Pivotal, and we have to make it public. Okay, so it's kind of Edward. Then so after creating it we have to go somewhere. Okay, so to integrate these two, because here there's no webhook really added, we have to go and first go to more, and we go to integrations. We add an integration. This time it's GitHub, and we're gonna connect GitHub to Pivotal Tracker first. So it's gonna be that for now. We're gonna go down because mine is already integrated. Yours will give you kind of what to do and all that. So first thing is first, we're selecting the project, and we already put the project is Pivotal, and so it's giving you some of the basics that you need to put in mind. And so right now it's asking us, let me say, okay, cool, so everything is set up now. So the next thing is that we're gonna copy this secret code. Okay, we're gonna first create the payload, and we go here to adding a new webhook. And the first thing we're gonna do when adding a new webhook, okay, let me put this first. Okay, hurry up. Okay, it's kind of internet down, slow kind of. So we're gonna place our webhook here. Then after putting there, we have to change this from this form to JSON because it's gonna be sending JSON data directly. And the next thing that we're gonna do, we're going to copy our secret code and we're gonna put it here. So you can leave everything. So if you wanted to trigger, for us we want to trigger every time we push. There's an event record that's stored on GitHub that, hey, you have changed this, you've done this and this. You can send me everything. For now we're gonna do everything for now. We're gonna deliver details and hope. So after this is done, you have successfully collected it. So we're gonna test it out right now, and we're gonna go back to Pivotal and we're gonna select what is it? Pivotal. Yeah, we're gonna select Pivotal and we're gonna create a new story. Like our story is to just upload a readme file, like upload readme .md file, and sorry for this, .m5. You can add a description. Let me show you how to add quickly a description. So it's gonna be a user, so I'm not going to use this, and I'm not going to use this for now. Okay, so as a user I want to have a readme file, so that I can know what the program or the project, what the project is about. So after this we add it here, we can add labels and all that stuff. So after this we save, and we can add the point. Okay, this is gonna be kind of easy. So with all there we save it. So we can we copy the story ID. So we open up where we're recording from, and in the terminal we're gonna create a branch. But the first thing is, first you need to do a git init, initialize it to be kind of initialized for every change that's gonna take place. Git is gonna be recording. And the next thing that we're gonna do is we are going to say git flow. But before doing git flow, we need to go back to GitHub, and we go to our pivoter, and we're gonna go here on clone, and we copy that, and we say git add git remote add origin. So if we do git remote -v, we have the origin, the fetch and the pull. So first thing is, first we're gonna first pull git pull origin master. Ooh, now we have everything. So now we say git flow init. Git flow is a way you can really use to go through branches, future branches. The way, it's the easiest way I can say that it can enable you to manage your project very well. And when you use git flow, it gives you the ability to know, for example, if in the future you kind of get messed up on a certain branch, you know there's a branch that was working yet, so you can use that branch. So you go back, you can just switch to that branch. So now we're on develop branch. Hallelujah. Okay, so we're gonna do a git branch. For now we're gonna create a future branch, which is add readme. We're gonna paste, I'm sorry for this, we're gonna paste the number, the code we got from GitHub, from Pivotal Tracker. Then the next thing is that we're gonna check out to FT. So now we have checked out, so we are on another branch. So what we've done is branched from master, then we branched to develop, now we have branched to the readme. So the next thing is that we're going to modify our readme right now, and we're going to add something like let's see, first remove this. Whoa, this was cool. Okay, kind of that. And you can do much with okay, so the readme is in the Markdown language. You can learn much about Markdown. I will try my best to add the links below in the video below, and you can check them out later. Okay, so we are done. The next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna say git status to check our status, and it's like we have modified the .readme. So the next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna do a git add everything, and when we do a git status again, is that we have modified, and this time it's like it was non-tracked, but now it's tracked. So the next thing is we're gonna do git commit, and we say -m, which is for message. I mean, we're gonna put in this square brackets finishes. So I want you to take a look at these different terms. So there is when you get started, there is when you finished, when you deliver, and when it's rejected or accepted. But the way we write them is that we don't write finished, we write finishes, delivers, kind of that. So we have finished now, so we're gonna say finishes, and we're gonna put the code with that and say like add more content to readme. When we're done like that, it's about now time to push origin ft, no wait, I didn't see that. Heaven, ft and readme. So it's now going to deploy. Let's wait for it. So this is an event, so when you push, you are triggering an event, and now everything is done. So when you trigger an event and go back to our Pivotal Tracker, it's gonna change to deliver. Hallelujah, we've done it now. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to GitHub, and it tells us there is a new branch, so we are going to pull and compare. Okay, so we're gonna we add something like what it does. Okay, a pull request adds data into the pull request adds a modification into the branch it's going to. For now, the best is master. So what it does, it adds quoted to the readme. It's going into the readme. Okay. Oh, sorry. And so we come here and we copy what we were. Oh, it's uploading. Cool. Okay, cool. And you add a story. Okay, wait. We don't need this. You just need to add this. And after this, okay, we just create the pull request. And the next thing is we match. So if we go back to our pivotal way and we go down, yeah, this is cool. Then if we go back here, we're going to see every action we took. We have a branch, we have a merge that we did, yes, and everything here. So this is the pull request, so it will be serving, and that's how you integrate Pivotal Tracker and GitHub using webhooks. So feel free to come and subscribe onto my channel, and thank you.